Hey guys, my name is Tana and welcome to another video. Normally I do car videos. Today we're doing a video about property. And as you know or may not know, Aurizn has a brand called The Estate. The Estate is their property brand where they do about properties. And I figured if I want to review property, if I want to do a video about properties, what should be the first video be? And I figured why not do The Estate? Yes, I mean The Estate, the property. So on this first video about Estate, the Aurizn channel, we're doing a video about Estate, the property, and I'm with my friend here, Mark Francis.
Hello.
Go to his channel, a new channel coming up very soon. He'll do a video about this property, but in this particular video I'm doing a tour of the facilities. Follow me and I'll show you why the estate is just the most beautiful, the most awesome place to be. I'm now on level 45 in West South, and this is the facilities area. This, I believe, is like the barbecue setting. You got some dining spaces over there. You got your like a sink thing to do stuff, you know. But what's happening is on that side. Let's go have a look and why I think this will be the property to look out for in 2022, because the key was handed over this week, and yeah, this is going to be a very fantastic place to be. Look at that. It's amazing, guys. Let's go have a look.